Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to remove name lock on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll like this. Here you are going to find this passwords and biometrics option, so you have to click on it. After you have been click on it, you are going to find this screen, and here you have to move this one lock screen password. Just click on it. Then here you have to confirm the passwords, then click on tick. Then here if you want to remove the name lock or screen lock, here just click on this turn off password, the first option, and here confirm the lock screen or name lock, then here tick. So right now the name lock has been removed from your mobile phone. You can remove it like this. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.